we, we will start our new lesson on geography part, that is lesson number 4, map. You all know what is map, yes or no? So it represents the different part of the earth. Okay, introduction. In the previous lesson you have studied about the features of a globe. Globe means you all know that it's a model of the earth. Globe can be used to study the earth as a whole. However, a globe is not always easy to use as it is bulky and does not show the earth's surface in detail. So globe, it's a model of the earth, but by once we cannot see all the surface of the earth. Alright, so map is the only one. We'll go to this. A map is representation of the earth or a part of the earth on a flat surface. Underline all this. Alright, it can show continents, countries, cities, and even a local area, showing all the details in it. Underline all this. Map, it represents and shows different continent, countries, cities, and also local area. Okay, a flat map, however, cannot accurately show the curved surface of the earth. When a map is drawn, the shape and size of the continent and ocean get distorted. The maximum distortion occurs in regions around the poles, while the equatorial regions around the poles, okay, here it's written 2 times. You can cut one, okay? While the equatorial region can be shown with reasonably less distortions. Map help us to locate and comprehend various features of the Earth's surface on a flat sheet. You must have seen the books containing maps. This book is called an atlas, which is a collection of maps. So atlas, it is a collection of maps. The art of preparing map is called cartography. Underline this. Art of preparing map is called cartography. And the person who make maps is called a cartographer. Underline all this. Okay? Art of preparing map is called cartography, and a person who make maps are called cartographer. So here it is clearly written, very simple, that map, it represent the places, the continent, the countries and all. Okay, and it helps us to locate and comprehend different features of the earth's surface, okay, such as the oceans, the seas, the land, the places. All right, now advantages of map. There are a number of advantages of using maps. So what are the advantages? Point number 1, map can show accurate information of small area. 2, they can be carried with great ease. 3, different type of map can be chosen to show various type of information required. Example, political map, physical map, weather map, and so on. 4, map can be used to make comparison or deductions. For example, a weather map can be placed on top of a physical map to find the details of the weather in particular area. So these are the 4 advantage of maps. Go through. All right, now type of maps. There are different type of map, so it is classified in 3 different part. One is according to purpose. One is physical map or topographic map. Okay, so what does this mean? Map that show relief of the earth as mountain, the plateau, plain, rivers, ocean, etc. Okay, so these are called physical or topographic map. Number 2, political map. The map showing political boundaries, okay, like a country, state, district, tehsils, the hills area, okay. These are called political map. Such maps are important for the administrative point of view. So the administrative, they used to go through the viewpoint of, prefer through the political map. Number 3, thematic maps. Maps showing some selected features only are known as thematic map, such as weather map, cultural, soil, rainfall, population. All these are thematic maps. We'll go through the according of purpose. Okay, point 2, according to scale and distance. So point 1 is small scale map. When larger areas are shown on a small map, it is called small scale map. So area that shows in a small map, it is called as small scale map. In small scale map, we can give very limited information, less information, okay? To large scale map, if we show a part of an area on the sheet of the same size, it is a large scale map. On a large scale map, informations can be given in greater detail. So small scale, it shows less detail, and large scale of map, it shows more detail. Alright, number 3, representative fraction, that is in short RF. In this case, the ratio existing between the land on the map and actual land on the ground is indicated by a fraction whose numerator is always 1. That is, RF of a map equal to map distance by ground distance. Example this. So representative fraction, it indicate about the distance, okay, the land. Alright. Now essential features of math, this one we will continue in our next class, okay? Only this much we'll do today, but before we start also, you just try to go through all this. All right, I would like to give you homework, that is, even though some questions might be not started for us till now, but you just try to do the multiple choice question, that is, take the correct answer number 1 to 5. All right, that's all for this.